At this point, you should have had a chance to explore the menus in Windows 10. We are going to do some customizing of the menus for your next assignment, but before we customize, I would like to take a screenshot of what your desktop looks like now so that we can do a before and after picture. To take a screenshot, if you are using a traditional Windows keyboard, you can just press in the top row of your keys, you can press print screen. So I'm going to show you that method first, and then if you're not able to find the print screen button, I'll show you another way to take a screenshot. For your screenshot for this assignment, I would like for you to open two windows. I want you to open the Start menu as well as the Action Center. So once we have those both open, we can hit print screen in the top row of keys, and it will take a picture. It copies that picture onto your clipboard. So at this point, I can open up Word. You could do it in Google Drive if you'd prefer. Now I have Word on my desktop toolbar here, but if you do not, you can click All Apps and then scroll through until you find Word. With the print screen button, it takes a picture of your entire screen and puts it on your clipboard, and then I can press Control V and it's going to show up here. So that is my before picture. Our next step is going to be to customize this, and then we'll have an after picture. For those of you that could not find the print screen button, some keyboards do not have that print screen button. There is another option for taking a screenshot on a PC computer. This is using the snipping tool. This is the snipping tool here. I have it on my desktop, but you can go through your apps just like we did with Word and find the snipping tool. Snipping tool is automatically installed on, is automatically installed on all PC computers, so you should have it. If we click on, I'm going to minimize our Word document for now. With our snipping tool, we have to adjust a few settings to be able to take what we need. I want to delay the screenshot 5 seconds. That way I'm going to have time to open both menus before it takes the picture. And then when I click the arrow next to new, it's going to give me options for what type of snip I want. Freeform lets me draw around something to take a picture. The rectangle gives me crosshairs that I can drag a rectangle or a square to take a picture. Window snip takes a picture of the entire window. In this case, I want to use the full screen snip. It's going to take a picture of the entire screen. I've got to quickly open this and open my notifications, and then it waited the 5 seconds and took the screenshot. From my screenshot page, I've got the snipping tool here. One of the options in the snipping toolbar, I can save it to a document if I'd like, or right next to it I have the copy option. This one's a little bit easier for us in this case. I can just hit copy, and then I can open up a Word document. It's going to be a blank Word document for you, but then I can hit Control V, or I can right click and say paste, and so that I have my before picture. We will use this later, so do not get rid of this Word document. We're going to adjust our desktop in the next screencast, and then we will turn in the before and after picture.